Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Webster Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be showing you a few ways that you can order checks for your Webster Bank account. First, just a little bit of background on what checks are. A check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have a little bit of a background and understanding on what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your routing number and Webster bank account number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your web browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I already have the Webster Bank website open, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, public.websteronline.com. You can also check the description for the link to Webster Bank. So the first way that you can order checks is going to be to log on to your bank account and order them through the mobile website. So to do that, you're going to look for the sign in button on this home screen on the Webster website, and you'll find that on the left side of the screen towards the top. Right there, it's a little small, but you can see it right there on the left, and there's a lock screen or a lock icon right next to it. So you'll go ahead and click on that, and then that'll bring you to this screen here where you can enter your username. When you click continue, it'll then prompt you to enter your password. So once you're logged in, you can go to banking options and then you'll click order checks online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Webster Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Webster Bank debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also click on the Contact Us link here at the top right corner, and there's also a phone number, a 24/7 phone number right on this main screen where you log in. But if you happen to know of any other ways to find this number, definitely be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there's sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way that you can order checks is going to be through third-party vendors. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Webster Bank. I already have this tab open and I've already typed into the search bar order replacement checks for Webster Bank. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. Checks Unlimited, Bradford Exchange Checks, or just a couple examples of the many websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks through third-party vendors is also where your voided check will come in handy because you'll need to have your exact Webster Bank account and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Webster Bank website or through customer service, those numbers will not automatically be loaded, and so you'll have to enter them yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this video useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information about Webster Bank.